So next task, the summary function display the statistics about the variable in a given table. So if you want to see about the variable names and the statistics, you can use summary of EPL. Yes. So summary EPL, summary of the entire table is given. So for each column, you will have the property. For home wins, the minimum value is 2, maximum value is 12, the average is 7.5. It has 20 rows and one column. Very good. Same way, you have minimum, maximum, median for all the things. So it is the statistics of the given table. So numerical, whatever numerical data is there, further it will give minimum, maximum, median, and for any string data, for any character data is there, it will just mention it is a character array. You cannot do any mathematical operation on the characters, right? So for mathematical data, it will provide the minimum, maximum, and mean. For the characters, it will just say how many rows and how many columns are there, and it is going to be a character array. That will be mentioned by your MATLAB. So this is also correct. So we'll go to the next task. So what kind of information is displayed by summary function? So you can we just say scroll and see. So for each column, you will have the summary given to you in the form of a short description. So what was the smallest number of home wins by home draws by any team? So home draws, if you take, you can see the home draws and minimum is 2. So you can say that. So only 2 home draws were done by a particular team. So with the number minimum 2, you can say 2 home draws was done by a particular team. If you want to see which team it is, you have to go to the table and locate the particular team and say this team is going to have low number of home draws. That is also you can do that. Okay. Or if you want to execute that as a thing means you can even write a command. So sort rows of EPL comma home draws. You know that by default it is going to do in ascending order. So if you execute this command, you see here you can find which team is going to have minimum number of home draws. The minimum number of home draws is possessed by this Manchester City team. So it has 2 number of home draws. You can find that also. This is an additional exercise given to you as a part of this table. I hope here we have understood sorting table. So sorting table by one row, multiple rows, ascending, descending, that is what is shown here. Okay. I think we should have quiz. Yes, the most awaited quiz is here. See here. So you have a table. Which of the following commands will sort the table by the variable x from greatest to least? Greatest to least means from descending order. Say me the answer. Please type the answer. We'll cross check. So in descending order, I'll show you the table completely if it is not visible. I think now it should be visible. Yes. So which answer is correct? You have 5 options. Only one is correct because you have radio buttons. So you say me which option is correct. So I'm going to arrange this table. I'm going to sort this table by X in descending order. So descending order means specifically you have to give the command descend, which is available only in option 4. Yes, I received many answers as option 4 and D. Very good. See, this is one way of eliminating the options. So this tactic, I have used it many times in competitive exams and I have been successful. Before working out a given problem, analyze the options. If you could eliminate the options easily, then you need not work out the problem. That option, what you get finally is going to be 100% correct. So the keyword given here is I'm going to sort the given table by the column X from greatest to least. Greatest to least means descending order. So for descending order, we have seen you have to explicitly give the command descend. And out of the 5 options, only one has the answer descend. So this has to be the right answer. Without even checking other options, we are going to check this. This is obviously right. Sort rows of A, X, descend. So I think the command first one is wrong because X has to be in single quotes. Second one is wrong because A should not have single quotes. Third one, even if you don't give this ascend, it is going to sort by ascending order only. Third and 5 are going to be same. 3 and 5 will give you same result, but only 4 will give you the answer it.